Hello everybody, it's Mick from JesterBushcraft. And if you're watching this video right now, you may be thinking about becoming a patron to my YouTube channel. Maybe you've watched me for several years doing the videos I've done since about 2011. You might be wondering what Patreon's all about. Well, basically, it's a way for you to show your support. You may like what you see, and you may just want to support my progress and how I improve the channel in quality, number of videos, and the type of content that I'm producing. And if you want to do that, great, really appreciate it. And the way you can do that is through this website, which is called Patreon. I've been doing this for several years now, since about 2011. I really enjoy it. I love getting out in the outdoors. I love trying new activities, and I like to put videos together to show people what's out there for them. And if I can help them in any way with tutorials or kit reviews, then that's great as well. And going by some of the comments I've received over the years, then I seem to be doing something right, so that's good. I've tried to improve the quality of the videos, but that involves upgrading your kit, upgrading your cameras, your laptops to do all your video editing, and the video editing software. And in recent times I've just been using basic kit for doing the video editing. I've got a cheap, crappy laptop which works okay, does the job, and I'm using Windows Movie Maker, which again works okay, but it's quite basic. And I've got around 10,000 subscribers now, and I've had a lot of support over the years. For all those of you that follow my channel and have done for many years, if you would like to support me, I'll be very grateful, it'll be much appreciated. And there's several different tiers you can come in at with different benefits depending on what level you decide to choose. So I think it's time that I stepped up the quality of the videos, produce more videos with more content, with a wider range of activities, whether it be hiking, kayaking, or just nature in general. And of course, getting out with the mini jesters, who aren't quite so mini anymore. They're nearly as tall as me now, but we still get out, we still do our little adventures, and they love getting involved. And I'm always teaching them new things, new skills, how to identify certain things in nature. I'm no expert, but you know, I do the best I can.